Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gigi and I make content surrounding hair, lifestyle, school, and vlogs. Today I decided to try out a twist out using mousse as my holding agent. I've never actually tried using a mousse or a gel as a holding agent, but I saw this going around the internet and I thought, why not try it on my 4B4C hair? So I'm going to be using the Lottabody Moisture Milk, some olive oil to seal it in, and then going in with their mousse as the holding agent before I do my flat twist out. So I'm just pointing out the fact that I'm doing a flat twist because usually when you do twist outs, you'll have less stretch and your hair will just kind of be bunched up at the roots, which I don't like. I feel like when I don't do flat twists at the root, I get matting at the roots. So what's the point of having definition like on your hair strands and then as you get towards your scalp it's just matted? I don't like that, so I just do a flat twist out from the root all the way down. Naturally, day one hair is going to be super shrunken, but if you just keep retwisting at night for at least 2 days or so, you're going to have a lot of volume by the end of the week. So it took me quite a while because I was distracted with my little show, but once I was done, I just put on my headscarf and went to bed. So my hair dried about 16 hours later, which is actually really different, and I think it had to do with the mousse. Usually it takes longer to dry. I think that speaks to the mousse being drying, so make sure that when you do this your hair is properly moisturized, otherwise you might have some complications. So as you can see, the definition is incredible, and so is the bounce. Like the hair is very light, it's very like, you can see it's just like moving all over the place. It's not stiff, is what I'm trying to say. Basically the mousse did a good job at holding. The curl is tight, the bounce is there, and I'm just going to go ahead and separate it on both sides of my hair and then pick it out. I didn't pick too much, but I really like the results, and here it is again a few minutes later with a little bit more frizz but still really defined. So definitely worked out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.